So today we'll be drawing this 3D model, and then from this exercise we'll get used to the constraint commands. So let's open FreeCAD. Click parametric part, click sketch, create a sketch, select XY plane, create center rectangle, click the center line, the origin, dimension the length is, make it, change the units. I prefer building euro, make it 40. Zoom it out, click this length, make it 11, enter, zoom it out. Now let's create a circle. Create at random point with random dimension, click and create another one here. Constraint equal both circles, constraint equal. So this circle are equal. If you increase this one, the other also increases. Let's check the dimension, the location of our circles. The circles are positioned 6 millimeter from the base, 6 centimeter from the base. So we need to make them a symmetry. Click this one, click this one, click this line, and then make them symmetry. So whenever we move, everything moves. Whenever we increase, everything increases. So now let's fix it from the base. So the base to the circle point, the center of circle is 6 units. Click this point to this point, make 6 unit. Done. Okay, the distance between circle to circle hasn't been mentioned, so we will take the distance from the left side, from the right side of to the center of circle. Click from here to this point, make them how much? 5. Make it 5. Let's check what haven't we constrained. This one has been constrained. We need to constrain the dimension for circle. So the circle dimension is 4 unit. Click the circle dimension 4 unit. Then our sketch is constrained. Click close, zoom it out, pad to extrude the shape, the length of extrusion. This one is 4. Click enter 4. Okay, so our extrusion has been edited. So now we need to create another sketch, because there is this part, we need to cut it open. Create a sketch, select this plane, no, cancel. Okay, model, go to this sketch, go to this part, and then create a sketch, and then we'll create a sketch. Then need to create the external geometry. Click this one, select this point, click again, select this point, select this edge, select also the edge of these circles, also the edge of these circles. So now we have created geometry reference. So now we need to create this small rectangle. Click, select this rectangle, draw it anywhere. I draw it here. Trim this top part, click trim, and then we have trimmed it. Now we have this line and this line. Let's create both of two lines. Create a line from here to this point, and then create a line from here to this point. So this one is moving. We need to also to connect this two line to this, to connect these 2 points. Click this point, click this point. So the geometry is closed, so you can see it is closed. So let's make some dimension. Come here. This is from the base to the point of this line is 5 units. Click from here to here, make it 5 units. 5. Okay, sorry. Now let's make this dimension. Let constrain these two line, this line and this line. Sorry, let constrain this line and this line be equal. No, so we haven't got it. This line and this line be equal. So the constraint doesn't work unless there's something. We go to your model, double click the sketch. We need to go back somehow so that you can. Okay, these two lines are equal, so you cannot, no need to constrain them. Repeat making this. Click this polyline from this point, connect this point, go to this point, connect to this point. Okay, so this line already been connected. So what we'll do now, let's check the dimension. We need to make the dimension from here to here is 30 units. So click this line, make it 30, and then the dimension from this point to this point is 5. Dimension from this point to this point, move it upward, make it 5. Okay, so constrain this should be equal to this. Equal. Let's see how our shape is moving, and then okay, constrain the dimension of this one has to be one unit. So click this one and make it dimension of 1. Okay, let's see where. Okay, so we haven't fixed the position of this line. Let's check. This is 5 from the base, so click this one and this reference line, make it 5. So now what else? It is moving this way. Moving this way. So let's make this line and this line equal. So we have fixed them. So the other way around is, what else? To get the dimension from this point to this point, we have already got it. No, from this point to this point. Okay, so we need the dimension from circle to this one. Yes, is 5 from a circle to this point. So you take a dimension from this point to this point is 5. Let's make it 5. Okay, we are done. So you can see our sketch has got fully constrained. Close it. Okay, click this pocket and then on dimension change through all, then okay. So we have got our shape already made well. So this is how you can do the constraint. Maybe it's just a good practice for you to make some constraint. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.